f of x equals tan x, and we want to find the slope, the tangent line at x equals pi over 4. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to calculate the y coordinate. So as I plug in tan of pi over 4, the slope is going to be 1, so the y coordinate is 1. Okay, so I've drawn that as that black dot on the graph so that we have a coordinate there. Now all I need is slope, so I want the derivative. So I'm going to calculate the derivative. The derivative of tan is secant squared. And I want to find the derivative value at x equals pi over 4. Okay, so at pi over 4, the secant value is going to be the radius over the adjacent side, or the x coordinate, or we can think of it as cosine is 1 over root 2, and the secant is just going to be the reciprocal of that. So secant is root 2, and we're going to square that, so we end up with a slope of 2. So at pi over 4, we have a slope of 2, so the equation of the tangent line is going to be, and I'll maybe do this in a different color here. Let's do that in green maybe. Actually, let's choose it. Okay, so we're going to, the equation of the tangent line is going to be y is equal to the slope 2, and the coordinate is going to be x is 1, y is, sorry, x is not 1, x is pi over 4, and y is 1. So that's the equation of my tangent line. It's going to be some slope of 2 cutting through there, and we have our equation there. So then the next part of this is we want to find the equation of the normal line at negative pi over 3. So at negative pi over 3, when I plug that into my tan function, at negative pi over 3, well, I can kind of go over here. At negative pi over 3, it's going to be 60 degrees here, so the tan value is going to be negative root 3 over 1. Okay, so y value is going to be negative root 3. And then, so I have my coordinate there. And what I want is then the perpendicular slope at that point. So first of all, I'm going to use my derivative, and I'm going to calculate the slope at negative pi over 3. So the secant value at negative pi over 3, well, this is going to be 1 to root 3 like this. Okay, there's my triangle. So the secant value is going to be 2 over 1, which is a radius over the adjacent side. So it's going to be 2 over 1, or 2. We're going to square that. Okay, so then we end up with a slope of 4. Now we want the perpendicular slope. So that slope is going to be negative 1 over 4. That represents my perpendicular slope. I have my coordinates. So the slope of that perpendicular line is going to be, or the equation of the perpendicular line is going to be 1 over 4 x minus negative, so plus pi over 3 minus root 3. And so this line here of negative 1/4 slope is going to cut through there like that, and that's going to be perpendicular to the tangent line that we have in there.